Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So a recent cyber attack was found completely by chance. And get this, we were weeks from a global internet disaster.
The attacker's goal? A man-in-the-middle attack, a digital spy reading all your private data.
To stop this, brilliant folks built a digital lock to protect us. It's called Secure Shell, or SSH. So how's it work? The first big step is creating a secret code just for you and the server.
All right, imagine you and a server agree on a public color, say red. Anyone can see it.
Now you both mix in your own secret color. You get orange, and the server gets purple. Okay, here's the magic. You each add your original secret color to the new mix you just got.
That final shared color, it's your digital key. It proves the server is real and unscrambles your data.
But what if the attacker doesn't break the lock? What if they patiently create their own key?
And that brings us to an attacker named Jia Tan, who targeted this tiny, overlooked bit of code called XZ.
Yeah, this wasn't some smash and grab job. It was a clever three-step plan to basically forge a master key.
And the scary part? It was working. This compromised code was being baked into major software, ready to ship.
But then, an unlikely hero spotted a tiny, almost invisible clue that unraveled the whole thing.
A programmer, Andres Fround, noticed this tiny, half-second lag when he was logging into a server.
Something felt off. His curiosity made him dig deep, and that's when he found the carefully hidden backdoor.
And this whole thing, it exposed a massive human flaw right at the heart of the internet.
You see, in the open source world, there's this idea called Linus's Law. But this attack, it blew a hole right through it.
The XC code is used by millions, but it was maintained by just one person, working for free. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.